9, L.A. Casinillo. Small forward number 13, Nick. Point guard number 23, June Manzo. Starting
Davao and Bacolod.
Well, nabanggit nga natin, itong Bacolod galing sa panalo. Is that Kurt Lohera in for Kenneth Ighalo. And also Bacolod, Sumona.
Nabong inside, and Kelly Nabong.
Another change of defense.
Inside again, Nabong, the fadeaway is good.
To fade as well with that jumper.
Casinillo, mid-range J, and he knocks it down. Balde, they go to De La Cruz, nag-cut si Lohera, easy two. Takes the jumper, too strong. Manzo with the offensive rebound, and he puts it in. Way out.
Malayo masyado yun.
Indrada picks it up.
How about Kenny Ighalo?
Koga uses the left hand, and Yusei Koga, he's got that in his Galit. Galit will pull up and knock it down.
Hinihingi yung bola.
Kanyal. Oh, nice move.
Tama naman.
Great footwork. Piromingan. Fast break for Bacolod. Piromingan lays it in.
Oh, what a finish. Couple rebounds.
Nice read there from Cedillo. Here's Piromingan. Will drive.
Oh.
Nice spin inside. Tricky Piromingan. Inside, Lohera. Galicia back to Española. JJ with a runner. Riding the pick. Ubalde. Galicia. Look what I found. Read perfectly by Bacolod. JJ down low to Galicia. Yes, sir. Manzo with a steal. Manzo with a layup. Nabong. Manzo now with Olayon. That's good.
And the extra pass by Manzo leads to a three by Olayon.
Oh, Jacob Galicia.
Shot on the post on the other by Galicia.
To Malip. Manzo, LA. Nahanap si Manalang for the jumper. That's good. Inside, Manalang. Yes. It's a poor pass from Danny Marilao.
Guess who?
And June Manzo. Española ang lima para sa Bacolod. Marilao, nakabuelo, and Danny Marilao put Obalde. Goes to Casinillo, fires a three, nothing but net. Olayon drives, no look pass, Nabong for the pocket of Obalde. Olayon too strong, De La Cruz for the putback. Ibaba ang bola, here's Danny Marilao. Nice pass, Sabelina. Kanina pa, even with the physicality ng Davao. Oh, nice pass. Olayon to De La Cruz.
Possibly for Casinillo.
Manzo for three. That's good. Casinillo.
Nice move.
Oh, off the glass and in. Piromingan again moving well without meaning in the third. Ighalo for three.
He has that shot. He has that shot.
Nabong umatake and scores underneath.
For Kelly Nabong.
Piromingan, jumper is good. Only to Solomon, fast break para sa Bacolod. Galicia puts it in for two. Solomon leaving it to Jacob Galicia for the 2 points.
Well, this is something, stop the clock, and then you get chances at the line.
Nabong knocks that, too strong. Rebound ends up with Galit and goes for the reverse. Upon Galit, there's a double team.
Good pass.
Swings it over to Olayon. Three-pointer is good. Takbo ang Davao. They can tie the game here. Tomale puts it in. Taken away by Olayon. De La Cruz, the sidestep, the finish. Tomale, jumper. In and out. De La Cruz on the stick back.
After the flex initiation, ito reopen, offensive rebound, pero ito open sa numbers.
Tigers on the run. Art off the glass and in. Art de la Malip. Gamalina on the other side. Fade away. Yes. Bam Bam Gamba.
The floor.
Last 2 minutes is brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL. The first 8 to shoot. Cedillo puts it in for 2. Casinillo pulls up. No! He was asking for a foul. He's come alive here in the second half. He misses the second, and yes, that will do it.